You have to wear the apron.
I have to wear it.
Yeah, we don't want to mess with your clothes. That's the only reason.
So now I'm a little baby. I have to wear an apron.
Like this.
Oh, sorry. It's been a really long time since I wore an apron, so I'm just like. Okay.
If you don't want to tie, just leave it.
Then it's fine. It'll look weird otherwise. I look like I'm in a PP suit or something.
No. Doing is I'll explain you what's the fluid art. Okay, first fluid art is basically we are going to pour all the color in one glass and pouring on the canvas. We'll make some abstract painting. We'll go with the totally natural flow. Okay, it's not particularly you have to make some pattern or something else. We'll go with the natural flow.
Okay,
so
sure.
Just we'll start processing and then you will get to know.
Yeah, cool.
It's for you.
Fluid art party with me. Thank you, Diksha.
Color, so it's going floated all over the floor.
Oh.
So that's why we give some height.
Okay.
So it's not going to be messed with the background.
Okay.
Too much color. Actually, I'm planning today is Republic Day, so we can make some.
Yeah, I think that would be
Tiranga.
great. Yes.
Is that
we should
okay?
do that. Yeah, that's a very good thought.
Okay, so we'll use 3 colors and then we'll use the blue one.
Okay.
You can put one more if you want.
No, I think this is enough. Like, it looks really nice. Okay.
It's going to be down, it's okay. It's
No,
totally fine.
I'll not do that.
It's going to be down because it's a fluid, so
I'll
don't
try
worry
my
about it.
best.
Yeah. But we want the over.
Yes, actually.
Do some in inclined form so it will be covered the edges. Go, don't worry about it. Just play with the colors. Come this way. Yeah.
think-
Enough. Wait. Now we'll pour the a bit color more again.
Okay.
Press.
I think we should go with green now.
Then it's fine. We
Lot
can
of
go
green.
with the green. I mean like red.
Yeah, it's predominantly green, so I think you can
Yeah. Pour the red.
the colors a bit of.
Yeah. Now pour the randomly.
Okay.
Don't mix. Don't stir.
Oh,
it.
sorry.
Yeah. Because you stirred the color.
But let's see where it goes.
You.
No, it's fine.
Yes, come this side.
Okay.
Bit down. No.
What?
Because
I'm
it's
not
very-
nervous. I'm the one doing this. What are you nervous for?
Cover all the edges. Yeah.
Yeah, we could have done that.
Don't come up this side. Only the edges you have to color.
I'm not that good also.
Yeah.
I think it's fluid, right?
Yeah.
Like cover it up. Oh. But it's
so
nice.
simple. Yeah, and you did this, so yeah, it's definitely nice.
But I didn't expect it to be so good when I started it, but it really does.
And it's so quick also.
Yeah, and it's glossy. The paint.
Yeah,
you know,
because the
it's
color is pearl color.
like this there, and it's really nice. In fact, I was looking for a painting for that place.
Now you made this a painting,
Yay.
and it's really great one. Now you can remove the hand gloves and all.
Oh.
We'll mix some fluid stuff in it. It's called a pouring medium.
Okay.
So it's get more liquidy to
Okay.
get flow easily.
So
Because
did you study this?
Yeah, I mean I am practicing. That's
So how long have you been doing this for?
Now I'm just completed 1 year in last month in
Oh.
December only.
Okay.
And we reached on a very good platform on the Instagram. Now we have a 20k followers.
That's great. So how do you see the future of this art,
Actually,
or where do you want to go with this?
I want to know everyone what's the fluid art it is, because basically in India there are few artists who's doing fluid art.
Okay.
But nowadays due to lockdown everyone is doing fluid art.
Really?
Yeah, even I am doing the online session of the fluid arts.
Oh, that's
So
great.
that's a really great experience for me, and I love how people enjoy while doing this art, because it's very like a fun therapy art kind of.
Yeah.
If you need some meditation or something, some people doing meditation, I feel to do like art is like my meditation.
But that's great.
And
I mean,
I love to do work with the like I'm taking orders also, doing workshops also, and I love to explore many things. Like I'm resin artist also, and it's just my startup right now. But
Of course.
I want to know everyone to get know that I'm doing this kind of stuff.
But that's great that with your art you have that kind of vision, because I think it's important to have a vision. So that's.
But you're a true inspiration. I mean, I'm genuinely speaking. I'm not
Thank
doing
you.
any buttering or anything, but I just love I love the character of the Alia you're playing in your serial.
Thank
Can you just elaborate something, your character or something?
I think Alia is, firstly, thank you so much for saying that you like Alia, because there are a lot of people who say, oh, I like his Dr. Ridhiman, I like his that, but I think Alia is definitely a character which is pretty strong. Firstly, I definitely have to say that. And she's someone who's been like you, maybe, trying to start her own startup, and then it does become very successful. So she's a very modern girl. She's a girl of today, and I think she's a very confident girl. And she's a go-getter, and that shows in the story.
Yeah.
But I think she's also a very sensible and level-headed girl who makes her own life. And I think Alia's character is about shattering the glass ceiling,
Yeah.
and going ahead and doing whatever you want as a girl, and not restricting yourself that, oh, I'm a girl, I can't do this or that. So I think it's just that very what can I say, it's just wearing your big girl pants and being very responsible, but at the same time I think she's a lot of fun. She's very relatable.
Yeah, she's
very
bubbly,
modern.
yeah.
She's stylish. So I think Alia is a character that I think even if I would see her and someone else would be playing Alia, I think I would really like her.
I want to show through the art. I mean, like the freedom girls need right now. I want to show through my art actually. Because-
Absolutely, I think that's very important, and I think female artists should definitely be encouraged. That is not even two things. I mean, I'm an artist. I'm a different sort of an artist and a different sort of artist. So yeah, that's great.
It's really nice to meet you. I feel so nervous. This is very my first session with you, but I feel so glad to meet you.
Thank you.
This is going to be highlighted.
Wow, that is even better. That's great.
Hope you enjoy the session.
I did, and it was
it's
very
a so
nice.
quick
meeting you.
session.
Yeah, it was very quick. I didn't expect it to be quick, but then it's great. I mean, that's what the art is, and that's what we are trying to tell people, that it's pretty simple and it's not very time consuming, but at the time it is fun and therapeutic, which is I think the benefit of the art. So it's great.
I'm glad to work with you. I mean, like, you're the first one that I'm doing with this.
I'm happy to help. So Diksha, thank you so much for the art.
you.
It was really nice meeting
Thanks
you.
for coming.
And thank you for appreciating my current show. I think that's more important.
I feel that like it's like inspiration for me, because I'm doing this kind of stuff now. It's have some inspiration sometimes, and whenever I see the Alia's character, I feel no, I
Yay.
want to be like this.
But that's
I like
great.
the caption also in your timeline about the CEO.
Yes.
And I want to be a CEO in my art career.
You will be, I'm sure. So then one day Adiksha will have a big gallery and all, and I'll come there. So that'll be great. Yeah?
Yeah.
I'm happy
Definitely,
that-
I'll invite you.
Okay.
When I'm done with my studio, I will definitely
Yeah,
invite
a
you.
studio. That'll be like so
Yeah.
cool. Yeah?